Hey guys, I noticed that some of you are having a difficult time sharing your presentations because I go on to them and they'll say something like, you don't have access. So if that happens or that's occurring, what I need you guys to do is go over to the share button in your presentation. Click share, and then you should see something that says get shareable link. Okay, or yours might pop up something like this right away. If it doesn't, go to get shareable link. And then when you see that, it'll pop up something similar to this. And notice how it says everyone at Frederick County, blah, 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 with the link can edit. Okay, you don't want edit. That's how I have it for you guys so that you can put your presentations in. You'll want anyone can view. Okay, so you'll click that. Then you'll get the shareable link. Okay, now copy that. Okay, or copy it here, either one. And then when you do that, you'll put it into your slide. Okay, so I'm going to put that one here. And then you just make the hyperlink, get that hyperlink, paste it there, and you can apply that. All right, so I'm not going to do that here because you guys don't need that. But make a long story short, that is how you do it so that you can actually share it with everybody. Because if you don't, like I said, you get the error message for the rest of us that says that we are not able to access it. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. These right here are the directions just in case that I've just added today, which is Thursday. And as you can see, at a little afternoon. All right, so good luck. Try to get those done, guys. I know you're doing wonderfully, and I'm really proud of all of you who figured it out and already put all of your stuff in. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.